going down right here.
DJ Drama.
Yeah.
Ash, can I talk?
Yeah.
Haters in the building.
Okay, you know you been on my mind. A-Town, I miss you. When old girl would come late and bring all her tips through. Break up her weed while I break down my issues. Get paper, she blows that the next day, you know that. Daydream at nighttime, I think too much. Then I hit the nightclub till it's daytime and I drink too much. Not time for no good girl, they hold on and they cling too much. I just want a hood bitch that tells me that I sing too much. Ah yeah, shout out to the women playing opposition. I be moving through my city like a politician. Hope you don't judge me, cause me and you are not all that different. You made me this way, you made me famous, you all assisted. New niggas tryna shine, I didn't condone it, but I'm back in this bitch, reliving the moment. I'm about to have it popping off again. Drama about to make it rain on Mary Poppins and her friends.
We got money in our pocket, and whatever you're sipping on is red bottom heaven around this bitch. What the fuck you tripping on? The goonies, they in this bitch, you better check your tone, and they gon' put you back in place if you do so wrong. We in this bitch, we in this bitch, yeah, we in this bitch, yeah. We got a section full of girls and they better speaking in English. Let's toast it up to the life and I mean it.